What's rough? I hope you really dig this video. Please subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Do it.
Hi, this video is about the assembly and review of the Total Gym 1600. Tomorrow is January 1st, 2018. So at this time, this product, from what I've seen, is available from Costco, is where I got it, for $199.99 online, and that included shipping. I have seen it also at Walmart online for about $265, including shipping. I've seen it on Amazon, I believe, for $10 cheaper than that, for about $255. You know, prices change all the time. So at the time that I bought this, the best price was at Costco, and like I said, I'm just going to assemble it. I may speed up through the video as I do that, and then I'll use it for a week or two, and I'll give it a review. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Once you get the Total Gym unfolded and laid out on the floor, what you do is you grab this. Actually, before you can do that, you have to pull on this. I pulled out that little pin right there, and then as I push up, it should click into place, which it did. Now there's a little safety pin over here, which you stick on this side. Okay, there it goes. So it comes right through here. Then you just pull on this pin and lift up. To any level you want to go to. And then you're supposed to put this safety pin in, and I'm not sure why it's a safety pin necessarily, but I guess in case this collapses or something, or when you're taking it down, so if this falls it won't go all the way down and pinch your fingers. I'm not really sure. But anyway, that's really all you need to do. I would rate the Total Gym 1600 at least 4 out of 5 stars. You can do a very large number of exercises, and probably even hundreds if you count exercises accomplished by changing the positioning of your body ever so slightly when performing an exercise. Mainly, all the types of exercises are anaerobic for muscle mass building. However, it is possible to do aerobic exercise by using the squat stand and jumping or bouncing up and down over and over again. I do this sometimes when I'm watching TV. I enjoy this machine because as I have gotten older, very heavy dead weights such as a barbell tend to hurt my joints. It's easier with this machine to use smaller amounts of resistance with more repetition to strengthen my muscles while not making my joints feel as though they might snap. There are a number of attachments that are included with this machine to help you do exercises such as dips, sit-ups, and squats. The flip chart that is included is quite handy to show you most of the various exercises that can be performed with the Total Gym 1600. The reason I give this machine 4 stars rather than 5 is that although it's quite easy to switch between using the pulleys and attachments, it does take a little longer than the infomercial, which I have seen on TV, would lead me to believe. On the infomercial, they tend only to show the people exercising, and they don't show the actors moving the attachments around to perform the next exercise. One other reason I give it 4 out of 5 stars is that although the machine folds up quite well into a small space, it does take some effort to do so. If you can leave the machine where it is all the time, it would be easier. However, if you do so, it does take up some space. The Total Gym 1600 is nearly 8 feet long and 1.5 feet wide. According to the manual, it weighs 53.2 pounds and the maximum user weight is 250 pounds. Hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Just click here to subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Why don't you?